making some marsala burgers. These are from Trader Joe's. These are what the packaging looks like. Get a couple of them out. So these are packaged two a piece, and they're supposed to be just cooked frozen. So I've already got the grill heating up. And if you don't have an indoor, well, you could use also a frying pan, or if you have a George Foreman, they work too. But put those on. And then this is kind of why I got into this, is because you may not know this, but you can actually cut things like hamburger buns, if they're not already cut, with a bagel slicer. And it works for things like muffins also, and anything round, pretty much. So just put it in like you normally do with bagel. And there you go. All sliced. Perfect, and you do not have to use the slicers. So I'm going to cut up 2 of these. I do like my mustard, because it's kind of sour, and I like the vinegar in it. Same reason why I like the pickles. I'm out of tomatoes, so I can't use them tonight. Then the other thing I like to use is cheese. So this is the Violife cheese. I forgot what flavor this is. I think it's provolone. Probably the low protein cheese that tastes the most like regular. Said, since the tomatoes went bad, I just had the pickles. And if you are on a low protein diet, these do run about, they're less than 5 grams. So the Violife didn't have any cheese in it. I mean, didn't have any protein in it, according to how much feed. And the burgers were probably about 0.8 per 2 ounces. Per ounce, these are, the pickles are 2/10 of a gram. So you're probably getting less than 5 grams of protein here. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.